Hey, what's up guys? This is Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I'm actually quite sick, so my voice is a little bit off today. Okay? Today is Christmas Eve 2019. So to all my subscribers, all my viewers, everyone that's on my channel currently or was beforehand, a Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year, but I'll see you guys before then. Alright? So without further ado, on to the video. Today we're talking about the brand new microphone that I got myself for Christmas. My own Christmas gift. It's a Rode, R-O-D-E brand, Rode. It's quite popular among video enthusiasts and audio ones as well. So you might ask yourself, how come I bought a new microphone? Well, in fact, I've also bought myself a brand new DSLR camera. It's a Nikon brand, so it's a Nikon D5600. So here it is. I've unboxed it off camera. Attached my Nikon strap onto it as well. Very nice, there's the camera. This is my previous lens from the D5200 camera that I had. It's an 18 to 135mm lens. Alright, has a lens cap, the lens hood on it. It says here it's autofocus and manual focus. Okay, here's the camera. So you stick your hand in there. There's a screen. The screen is versatile. It turns around for you any way you want. Wonderful. Alright guys, so there's that. So guys, this was again the reason why I bought this new microphone from Rode. And here it is. Got it right here. It's a Rode Video Micro. That's right. Okay, the box is still sealed. Let's go ahead now and do an unboxing. To unbox it, you need some scissors or knife to cut this tape here. I'll do by hand though. Alright, I've got it now. It's coming off. Okay. And there's actually a word imprinted in this tape itself. It says void. Okay. So now what we do is, let me just open it straight up. Let's see. There we go. That's where the bust a little bit. Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right. That's the inside, guys. Let's pull it out for you. Wonderful. Okay. That's the insert. Box is empty. Put off to the side. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wonderful. There's the actual microphone with a dead cat attached to it. Excellent. I really do need this dead cat for outdoor videos. Okay. Pull it out. There you go. Comes out. There's the actual microphone part. Wonderful. It says Rode here. Nice gold dot there. And here's the place where you're going to stick in the cord. Okay, for it. The dead cat. That's it. It's only a dead cat. There's nothing else inside of here. It's just a dead cat. There's no black shroud or anything. Nothing. Okay. Next up we have this e-sword. Sounds like a salt or something kind of package. I guess to give the dead cat more fresh for you. Okay. Next we have the actual shock mount for the DSLR cameras. Okay. So I assume this microphone will somehow go inside here. Alright. And on it. Perfect. Okay. Next up is actual microphone cable. One plugs in the back of the microphone. The other side plugs into the side of the DSLR camera. Okay. And they give us a little booklet here. It says Video Micro Quick Start Guide. Lovely. So that. It's come in handy right now when I install this in my camera. And there's a front. there's the back. Wonderful, guys. But in reality, who needs a setup guide? Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead now and set up this microphone. What I'm gonna have to do now is I'm gonna have to actually push this plate out a bit in order for it to install into my hot plate, okay? So how do you do that? You simply touch this big round piece and spin it upward, you see? A little bit. And it clears the actual plate a bit, okay? And then you go ahead now and stick it in your hot shoe here. Like so. It went in, wonderful, okay. So once that's all the way in, then you go ahead and retighten this circle piece. Wonderful. So hopefully you won't lose it in the wind, whatever the case may be. Tighten as much as you can. It's pretty much very tight now. And that's about it. Straighten that out a bit. Perfect, okay. Next time we're going to plug it into the actual microphone spot on the camera, which I believe to be somewhere in this area. Let's go ahead now and check it. Okay, so we take the other end of the cable, stick it in this hole here. There's a hole right there. Stick it in the hole. And there you go. It's installed. Wonderful, guys. Okay. Maybe we should run it under this strap. Like so. And that's what it looks like. Absolutely perfect. I absolutely love it. Looks so amazing. I feel like a real, true, professional YouTube vlogger. Alright, guys? That's it. So let's go ahead and now show you guys. So apparently now, guys, in the second menu icon here, under movie settings, you can actually find now the microphone area itself, okay, microphone button. Set it to automatic. You can do manual, or you can do microphone off if you want. Manual, okay. Set up to 20, and the lowest is 1. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep it on auto for now. Auto is fine for me. And that's it. There you have it. Alright, guys. Turn the camera off. So that was my unboxing and the installation video of the Rode Video Micro. Alright, guys. This is the baby Rode, the most cheapest option. So that's why I went for it. I'm not a big time YouTuber yet, so I didn't shell out the big funds for the bigger, more expensive Rode microphones. I went with the cheapest and most affordable version that's also kind of small and fits well in my camera, and includes a dead cat in the packaging as well, which is very helpful for outdoor videos, i.e. car videos and whatnot. Alright, guys, so hopefully now you guys feel more confident in installing your DSLR camera's microphone on your own. Heck, even I could do it. This is Mr. 2002 signing out. Take care. Have a good day. Please do not forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.